we'll see who is the quintessential bartender.
Something inside your body starts tingling.
In our criteria, we look for the best performance, best presentation, and the confidence.
You want to dance in which you can.
රීජන් ඔක්කොගේම හොඳම බාර්ටෙන්ඩර්ස්ලා තමයි බැටල් කරන්න හිටියේ.
පාර්ටිසිපේට් කරපු කට්ටියත් එක්ක ලොකු චැලෙන්ජ් එකක් තියෙනවා කියලා හිතනවා.
How she did the acting part and everything, it's a whole concept.
Competition එක මට කරන්න ඕන වුණේ attractive විදිහට.
But what is good in this contest is it brings the creativity of a young talent.
සොලොජි කෙනෙක් හැටියට මට හිතුණා ඒ රෙසිපි එක දැක්කම ඒ වගේ රෙසිපි එකක් ඇයි මට හිතුන්නේ නැත්තේ කියලා.
They did a great job and they are really professional in what they are doing.
Imalshi Kaushalya from Newburgh.
I'm amazed to see the amount of innovative thinking that these guys have done. Our team has this kind of a capability, and this is what we wanted to present to the entire industry.
DCSL and Periceyl, we are very, very much proud to be associated with a group like this.